2 plus 3 equals 5 times 2 minus 3 divided by 3, right? Now 5 times 2 equals 10 minus 3 divided by 3. Now 3 divided by 3 equals 1 and minus 10. 10 minus 1 equals 9. But this is wrong. Why? Because division and multiplication must be done before addition and subtraction, right? So division and multiplication first, then addition and subtraction. Now let's solve this correctly. 2 plus 3 times 2, right? 3 times 2 equals 6 minus 3 divided by 3. Now divide first. 2 plus 6 minus 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. 2 plus 6 equals 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equals 7.